If you see over here, it's a baby pink, very light color, merging with cream color over here. How to get this cream color, or maybe this you can also tell it as a orange color. So definitely हमको ये शेड भी बनाना पड़ेगा. This is light blue merging with the cream color and then medium blue. If you see this blue and this blue, almost these two layers are same. This one and this one. Correct? So हमने जो इसके बेस के लिए फर्स्ट ब्लू बनाया था, you can directly take the same color. अगर आपने बनाया था तो you have to again make the same color for this part, and in that part add little bit of white to create this light blue. सेम इसी शेड में बहुत सारा white ऐड करोगे तो आपको लाइट ब्लू मिल जाएगा. So your this color is also ready. Now how to get this color is you have to take a little bit of white and very small dot of red color, or maybe orange, any one you can take. Sorry, not red, orange you have to take, because red लोगे तो baby pink हो जाएगा. Fine. So you have to take a orange. थोड़ा उसमें yellow भी add कर सकते हो. ठीक है. one small dot of orange, small dot of yellow, and in that 1 or 2 drops of white color will give you this kind of cream color shade. And for this baby pink you have to take a lot of white and very little bit of pinch of red color, any red color that you have. Also, I am telling you, whatever red you have, whichever orange color you have, and whichever blue color you have, you are going to get the shades accordingly. It may not match with my shades, because my blue may be different and your blue may be different. My red may be crimson red and you are having vermilion red. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So that is not wrong at all. So you have to just try to maintain the intensity of the color. आपका baby pink should be this much light. Your baby pink may be very different from this color, but it has to be this much light. So keep that in mind while doing this kind of a painting. Fine. So now let's start with the mixing of colors. I'll just try to mix the colors and show it to you how I'm doing it. I'll see. I just required this much of orange. Can you see? Only this much. And then I'm putting it over here. Sky is light, so I will have to take out lots of white for my sky part. So I'm taking out lots of white. What else? We would require red also, as I said. If you have pink color already with you, you can just add lots of white to it to get a baby pink. Even that is correct. I'll be adding red and making it. So I took red over here accordingly. Now we want blue. So let's take a blue accordingly. I'm taking out blue into different yes. So now see, I'm taking white color and I'm mixing with orange. The moment I'm mixing with orange, I'm getting nice cream color I got. Can you see? As it was there in my painting. Similarly, I'll take white and I'll mix it with red. to get pink color. But this pink is little dark, so I have to add lots of white. I'll take more white and I'll add it to get that light baby pink color. If you want, you can use this pink. I want to create a little more lighter tone, so I am again still adding a little white over. So after I made all the shades, okay, I'll start applying it. I'll just show you how I'm applying it. I'll explain you one more thing. While applying, there is no such rule. I can start from top, this color, I can then apply this color and merge these two layers. Then I'll add this and merge these two layers and apply this shade and merge over here. In this way also you can, from top to bottom you can come, or you can start from bottom with a pink color, merging with the cream, and with cream color light blue, then with the medium blue. So you can go like this or you can go like this. Both the ways are completely fine. There is no such rule for this. Is it okay? Clear to everyone? Into my screen. Hope I am audible to everyone. I am just starting. Now I will start with ulta. I'll start with baby pink over here. But it is not required that I am using baby pink, तो आपको baby pink से शुरू करना है. कोई मेरे साथ नहीं करेगा. पहले आप देखो. Okay, nobody will start with me. First see, observe how I am doing. Observation is very important. Once you understand, it will be easier for you. If you keep doing with me, you will keep asking the same repeated questions, which I would already have explained you. So my hands are going like this and like this. Like this and like this. How in case of water? Water में थोड़ा fast आपको लेना था. यहाँ पे उतना fast लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Make it clear absolutely. Very plain application करना है. Since it's sky, it's very plain. So once I applied, मैंने यहाँ तक ही apply किया है. You have to wash your brush very nicely. ज़रा भी उसमें कुछ रहना नहीं चाहिए कलर, नहीं तो दूसरा कलर उसके साथ मिक्स नहीं होगा and it will give you some different shade. Now I am adding the cream color over here. Okay, can you see? Like this, very plain. जितना plain आप करोगे उतना वो beautiful दिखेगा. And you have to do it very fast, so that merging takes place. नहीं तो यहाँ color merging नहीं होगा properly. See, can you see how it is merged very softly from this layer to this layer? See, पहले लाइन दिख रहा था, अब लाइन नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ बेटा, this layer gets dry, I will try to make the light blue color over here and I'll spread it over here. अच्छे से आपको ब्रश रब करना है. अगर ब्रश नहीं आप धोओगे उसको, अगर आप प्रॉपरली वॉश नहीं करोगे तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, फिर वो मर्ज नहीं होगा प्रॉपरली. आप कितना भी करोगे आपको 4 अलग अलग लेयर्स दिखेंगे, विच वी डोंट वांट. वी वांट टू मर्ज इट. कैन यू सी द मर्जिंग ओवर हियर? कैन यू सी हाउ लाइट इट बिकम? नाउ आई विल टेक द मिडल ब्लू बिफोर all the colors get dried up. I'll just use the blue, make it plain over here. ज़्यादा घिसना नहीं है, मेरा पेज बहुत पतला है. माई शीट इज़ वेरी वेरी थिन, सो थोड़ा सा मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है मर्जिंग में. बट यू विल नॉट गेट दिस प्रॉब्लम इफ़ यू डू इट प्रॉपरली. See, can you see how it has merged? All the layers, top to bottom. Is it clear how I did? ये देखो, can you see? Of different colors? No, na? See, very softly all the layers have merged.